What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video we're going to be talking about becoming an affiliate on Clickbank. What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. And I know I have done similar videos to this in the past, but I still get a lot of questions in the AFK forum, and also a few of you guys have messaged me or sent me a DM on Instagram about this. And basically it's from a lot of people that just can't get approved on Clickbank. And rather than constantly just sending people to this video and in that video, because I've created slightly different variations of this video, I'm just going to sort of like create one sort of like overriding video that explains why, where, when and what to do. So basically, people, they create an account on Clickbank and then they get disapproved, and then that's the end of it. Or they realize that Clickbank isn't available in their country, and then they just don't know what to do next. I've said this before and I say it again: if you can't get on Clickbank and if there's no way to get your account approved, then it's not the end of the world, okay? And if you are in a situation where you feel like there's no point in pursuing this even further, then I highly recommend you guys check out the AFK forum. Why? Because you're basically surrounding yourself with like-minded people. You're surrounding yourself with people that are doing affiliate marketing, CPA, sweepstakes, Clickbank, everything that has got to do with affiliate marketing, and they will help you out. They will show you other networks and other things that you can do to earn money online and earn money with affiliate marketing. Now, the AFK forum used to be a paid subscription, a paid membership to the forum, and now everything is free of charge for everyone to spread the value and help more people earn money online. This video is also brought to you by the AFK forum, so if you haven't checked it out already, I highly recommend you guys do it. It's free, so there's no risk for you guys. There's no investment to be made. All you're getting is free value and free knowledge. So with that said, more often than not, if you do create a Clickbank account nowadays, and you fill out information that isn't completely true, or you'd rather not give your home address, so you fill in a random address, Clickbank isn't stupid, guys. They understand when you're filling out fake information and when the information is real. So more often than not, if you create an account, so you go to clickbank.com, create an account, which I'll just quickly click on here, then you fill out this information. So first of all, your country does need to be here. If your country is not here, then you will not get approved, and that just means that Clickbank is not available in your country. Now, almost every country is now here. I've seen over the time that I've been using Clickbank that more and more countries are getting added. For example, when I started out, Zimbabwe wasn't one of the countries that was available. So almost every country is now available for Clickbank. So what you can do is click on your country. So I'm not going to do this, guys, because I've already got an account and don't want to jeopardize that. So United Kingdom, or let's just actually do Netherlands. Why is it not? Let me go to Netherlands. Okay, I'll just do it manually. There we go. Netherlands. First name Joshua. George, and then we just do a random number. Okay, there we go. Email. So you fill out your email, you fill out your password, and then as soon as you click on terms and conditions and you've read it, it will take you to the next page where you fill out your banking information, all stuff like that, and from that point you can click on continue again, and then it will say that your account is disapproved. Okay, and this, like I said, it's happening more often than not nowadays. I've got a separate video on how to get approved on Clickbank. I've also got a 3-step training, which is also in the AFK forum, again completely free of charge for you guys, on how to get onto Clickbank. But when this happens, when you get disapproved, there's basically 3 things that you can do. I've just quickly written them down in a Word document. The first one is submit a request form. So let me just click on that. So support.clickbank, again, I'll leave the links somewhere in the description box down below, and if not, they'll be in the AFK forum. So what you can do is you can fill out your email address, Subject line is obviously, Clickbank account disapproved, or can I get my Clickbank account approved? Description, you basically just explain that you are an affiliate. You've got experience. Make sure you mention that you've got experience with affiliate marketing. I usually say, I've got like over 3 years of experience with affiliate marketing, and I want to use paid traffic, to earn money with affiliate marketing, and I was wanting to use Clickbank for this. However, Clickbank disapproved my account. Can I please, still get my account so I can help you guys, or I can, promote Clickbank and, earn money so you guys earn money as well. Something along those lines. Make sure that they understand that you've got experience with Clickbank, you've got experience. You've got experience with affiliate marketing, you've got experience with paid traffic. You're willing to use paid traffic because they know that it's more consistent than free traffic and creating a blog, etc. And make sure that you mention the win-win. So you promote them, you earn money, but they earn money as well. And you'll notice that you will get a sort of fair response to the message you send. Type of question is obviously about your account. So that'll be, let me see, which one will it be? Accounting inquiries, no. General account questions. It'll be general account questions. Yep. Okay. Account nickname. Obviously, you haven't got one yet because you haven't got an account. And then what you can do is you can send a screenshot of what the page looks like when you got your account disapproved. Okay. So that is method number 1. Method number 2 is just by emailing directly. I usually recommend doing both at the same time. So you submit a request form and then you send an email to support@clickbank.com, and you just quickly mention, I've sent you guys a request, but I wasn't sure that it's sent, so I'm also sending you an email. And then you basically just copy and paste the same message again. So you basically have like a 2-pronged attack going. If they don't read the request form, they'll read the email, or vice versa. Okay, and then lastly, what you can do is you can call with chat support. Let me just quickly click on the link. YouTube, that's not the right one, so I've done that wrong. Let me see if I can get it up for you guys. Clickbank chat support, customer support. Let me see if this is it. But basically, Clickbank has chat support, or support. That might be a Facebook. Basically, Clickbank have chat support, and you can you can either ring them or you can chat with them live. So it's like messenger chat, and from there, again, I will leave the proper link, because obviously I've got a YouTube link. I will leave a proper link in the description box down below, or in the AFK forum, so you guys know what that looks like. In fact, let's just see what this is. This might actually be the chat support. Okay, yeah, so okay, it said YouTube, but this is the chat support. So clickbank.com, and then / contact us. You can look up your order, or you can contact them, or you can live chat. I recommend just ringing them, guys. It's the quickest way to get through to them. Live chat, there's usually a line, etc., and sometimes they don't reply, or they don't understand where you're coming from. If you are not a native English speaker, or you're not fluent in English, or you have a strong accent, then maybe chatting is the best way to go. If not, please, just call them. It's the quickest way to get it done. Okay, so those are the 3 ways of getting onto your Clickbank account. Okay, other than that, it's very, very straightforward. If you do get through to this, all you need to do is create an account, fill out the information, and then you're good to go. From there, you can go onto the marketplace, see what kind of products are being offered, and then promote them. And if you want to know more about that, I highly recommend you check out the 3-step training about Clickbank. It is in the AFK forum. It's free, so literally free knowledge. You don't have to pay, nothing like that. AFK forum is free as well, so I highly recommend you check that out. And it literally just shows you guys from A to Z how to get onto the platform, how to get your account approved, and how to earn money with Clickbank by using either free traffic or paid traffic. That is completely up to you.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business, or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.